Hello guys, what if I tell you that you can whiten your teeth without visiting the dentist by just using banana? In this recipe, I want to show you how you can whiten your teeth with banana. This is banana guys. Just take one banana, peel it open. We are not using the food, we are using the peel, just the peel. Okay, this banana is available everywhere, so you can readily have the recipe, all the ingredients for today's recipe. So scrape the peel as you can see in the video. Scrape the inner part of the peel just the way I'm doing. One banana is enough. You can use it for morning and night. Now look at the quantity I scraped out. That is enough. Then take your baking powder. You are going to take about a quarter of a spoon, just this size, about a quarter of the spoon, and add to the banana peel that you scraped. The next thing, take your table salt, just a little, like 1/8 of a spoon. It's enough. And then take your regular toothpaste, whichever toothpaste you are using, you can take it and add to it. Just add about 1/3 or 1/4 of a spoon. Add to it. Now, these 4 ingredients, we are going to mix it up together. Make sure that they all mix it up very well. Then, and form a kind of paste until it forms that pastry, substance that you can take and brush your teeth. I tell you, with this recipe, you don't need to go and pay, hundreds of thousands of naira to whiten your teeth. You don't have to visit the dentist because it's going to scrub every corner of your teeth and make it clean. It's going to remove plaque in case you have plaque. It's going to remove mouth odor in case you have mouth odor, and it's going to, brighten the teeth. Your smile will become brighter and lovely. So this is the paste as it is formed. Just take your toothbrush, add to it, and then you are good to go. Will you try it, guys? Thank you for viewing. Like this video and share to your friends. Thank you.